What messages are you sending to yourself? What are you saying to yourself? When you look in the mirror in the morning, what are you saying to yourself? Are you looking in that mirror saying, I'm a valuable person? Or do we say, oh, it's a good thing they invented makeup. Oh, gotta get it on my face. I've got to do this or that. Or do we say when we're running by the mirror after we've taken a shower, oh, I gotta lose 5 pounds. That's what we do all the time. In fact, some research has said in terms of that when young women hear mothers consistently say, I need 5 more pounds off, actually the girls start picking it up at younger and younger ages. And so and I have another slide, by 10 years old in the United States, 82% of 10-year-old girls are afraid of being fat already. I mean, that's huge. There's only, and I can't remember, it's 1 or 2 or 3% of women and girls in the United States in one study that think they're beautiful. We need to, I mean, that's huge. That affects our confidence. And we need to think about what that means. Media is terrible in terms of those things. So again, what do you tell yourself when you get rejected by a friend, when you're having a hard time? Do you say, I am stupid, I am ugly? Do you say those things? Because we're getting down to being. You're telling yourself, you as a person. Sometimes when we do something stupid, we can say, I did something stupid. That's doing. That's not being. We should not be picking on ourselves instead of, I'm stupid, I'm ugly, those things. Those things will keep us from confidence. So I challenge you to think about that too.